Hello everyone and welcome to a new interesting video. In this one, we will see how we can fix the common error that occurs with HP computers, the Endpoint Security Controller error. This error can occur due to several reasons, such as a random main BIOS dump from a different board was used. The BIOS was updated. In some cases, a BIOS downgrade can fix this error. Changing the default settings of secure boot. A password was removed from the EC BIOS. The VSS2 store is corrupt. The DMI has not been added using HP BCU. DMI info in the EC is different from the DMI info in the main BIOS. There was tampering with the serial number or any other DMI information. The ME firmware is corrupt or not properly cleaned. Follow the video to learn how we can fix this error using HxD and UEFITool. The full video is available exclusively for error members. If you're not a member yet, consider joining the channel to watch the full video and many other interesting videos reserved for members only.